there are two, VNet 1 and VNet 2. Both of them reside within the same resource group and location for simplicity. If we go ahead and click on VNet 1, I want to create a peer from VNet 1 to VNet 2. Now, if you have a look at the address space on VNet 1, it's 10.1.0.0/16. And if I look at 2, VNet 2, it's 10.2.0.0/16. Now, I point this out because those two IP address ranges cannot overlap if we're going to peer them. All right, I'll go back to VNet 1, simply select peering, and I'm going to create a peer. As I go through the wizard here, it's asking me for the name of the existing network, so I'm simply going to put VNet 1. And this is asking for the remote VNet name. I'm going to say VNet 2. Now it's asking me, we already know what the name of the subscription is, but now it's asking me for the remote VNet, which I know is number 2. I'm going to select number 2 and scroll through and leave all the existing settings as default. While that's adding, I want to point out there's one more thing that we need to look at. The other important thing to be mindful of when you do create peers is that there should only be one, because they're connected now and it's essentially one larger VNet, there needs to only be one DNS. So as you can see, if I click on VNet 1, you can see if I scroll down to DNS, I've got a custom DNS configured here. You can see it's a 10.1.0.4, and what I should do to ensure that the machines within VNet 2 function appropriately, I need to create or essentially mimic the DNS settings that we have in VNet 1 to VNet 2. That way, it'll ensure that the machines that reside in VNet 2 communicate with the appropriate DNS server. The only one other thing to check is to ensure that after you make any changes to DNS, that you restart all the machines that reside within that VNet. I'm going to flick back over to VNet 1 and have a look at the peering again. As you can see, that's now connected. We've got a connection between VNet 1 to VNet 2, and the status is connected. That's it, as simple as that. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, please hit the subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that you're notified of future videos on this channel. Thank you very much.